guys, welcome to the video today. Well, today all I'm doing right now is just showing you one of our guys in our local Jeep club. He does a lot of little pieces and things of that sort. He's got a nice 3D printer and whatnot. He does a lot of pieces to just additions to Jeeps and different things you can add to your Jeep, just little accent pieces and things of that sort. And I'll leave all his information below as well, but you just have to take a look at this. These are inserts for handles, and as you can see there, I did get my YouTube name and the YouTube symbol, so this will be in the insert for the front handle. This will be the rear handle, just to give you an idea. So this will hit, well, this is the wrong, no, it's the right side. So anyway, it'll sit like that. And then the back handle, obviously it'll just be that little Jeep, and it'll sit like, oops, and it'll sit like this here. So that's gonna be pretty cool. That's gonna be pretty cool. Okay, see, as you can see here, I've got these put in. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna put some black paint on the heads of the bolts just to give them so they're hidden a little bit. I mean, I don't think it would look too bad if I left them the way it is, but I think that looks pretty good. He did a great job on them. I just had a little Jeep put on the back handle, so you can see there, and then I've got my YouTube name on that one. So that's pretty sweet. But anyway, what I will be doing, I'm pretty close to 1,000 subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that and what I'm going to be doing and whatnot. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a short video in that respect, but anyway, thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day today.